Okay, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to get your paths from Rhino to Illustrator. I have some basic height lines here. They're at 12-inch increments or 1-foot increments. Once you've created the geometry that you want to get into Illustrator, all you have to do is select it and go to File, Export Selected. You got to make sure that it's set to Illustrator right here, so Adobe Illustrator, and give it a proper name. I've already exported a grid a couple times, so I don't want to write over it. Although I have one there, so I'll change that to 3. Grid3.ai, export. And this is the key moment here. You want to make sure that you're preserving your mode, your scale mode, or your model scale. Preserve your model scale. Right here I have 12 inches in Rhino is going to equal 1 inch in Illustrator, and that will give us a scale of 1 inch equals 1 foot once we're in Illustrator. So I'm just going to say export. And that's as easy as that. Now I'm going to open up Illustrator, and I'm going to open that grid3.ai. And let's zoom out here. And I want to make one more note, and that is that notice in Rhino, our origin point is at the lower left-hand corner of our grid, right? I want you to note where that ended up. That ended up in the center of our artboard here, and it's within our workspace. So this box right here is your workspace. Anything imported into Illustrator that falls outside of that workspace is not going to be accessible to you. So you just need to make sure that when you export things from Rhino, that you export them with a portion of them touching this origin point. Okay. Otherwise, if you, because Rhino's workspace is infinite, you need to make sure that you are working close to home. So don't be working out here and try to export things to Illustrator and then try to find them and you can't find them and you're getting frustrated and so on and so forth. All right, now that we're back in Illustrator, I'm just going to, now in Illustrator, let's go ahead and select our objects, copy, and then we'll go ahead and paste them into our art palette that has the lady jumping. Okay, that's going to be that for this one, so I just wanted to show you really quickly how to export paths from Rhino into Illustrator.